Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to DEX Screener. So I'm going to demonstrate the steps in the Phantom Wallet mobile application, but you can also do the same thing with the help of the desktop browser extension of the Phantom Wallet. So once you are in your Phantom Wallet application, you need to tap on the browser tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you need to use the search bar, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for DEX Screener. Now, once you have found DEX Screener, you need to simply tap on it, and it will automatically redirect to you on the dexscreener.com website. Now, over here, you just have to wait for some time until it opens in front of you or verify your identity. Now, once it is launched successfully, you can see that the connection between the DEX Screener and the Phantom Wallet is already established. However, you will also be able to see the connect option over here. So you need to tap on the explore option, and from here you can select the chain, like for example, you can select Solana, and after that you can just explore the meme coins over here that are based on the Solana blockchain. So this is how you can basically connect your Phantom Wallet with DEX Screener. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe Softpro. We make easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.